come my way, I will show you how I can treat you.
Cool, isn't it? I'll teach you how. Open your CapCut, click New Project, and import your dance video. Click Text. Click Auto Lyrics, and press Start, and it will auto-generate the lyrics for you. Click Style. Go to Animation. Go to Caption, and find the spring effect.
So if you come my way,
Go to Style again, and click Font, and choose the style of font according to your liking. Once done, resize the words to slightly bigger and place it to where you cover your face. Don't worry, because that is the trick. Check word by word if the auto-generated lyrics are correct. If all good, press arrow up to export. And you are now done with the first part. Now, create new project again, and import the video that you just created. Click Overlay, and add overlay, select the original video, and import as overlay, resize original video to match with the size of created video. Go to Cutout, and select Remove Background. Click Check once done. Export your video. And voila, you transform your boring video with more interesting video.
come my way, I will show you how I can treat you better.
For more CapCut video editing tutorials, follow for more. Thanks for watching.